What is the absolute highest and best use of your time? So new years are really opportunities for a new you, and that may sound cliche, but think about it. Like, I'm spending a lot of time myself and talking with people like you about, hey, knowing what you know now, what is the highest and best use of your time? And if you think about mindset is not just like, hey, I want to be positive and optimistic and see the world through these rose-colored glasses, but mindset is also focus and determination and a willingness to persevere and do the things that matter. But then what matters? What matters to me is the highest and best use of your time, not just professionally, but also personally. So I'm asking people, like, for you, when you're at your best state personally, what are the things you're involved in? Who are you involved with? What are the routines? What do you do that keeps you in that optimal state personally with your health and vitality, you as an athlete, you and your relationships, you and the spiritual side, all the elements that make up you in your personal life? What's the highest and best use? And maybe, just maybe, this is the time to reimagine what it looks like for you, what success looks like for you. And then on the flip side, in your business, it's the same thing. What's the absolute highest and best use of my time? And how do I take that mindset and make sure that I'm following through and doing the things that really move the needle in my life, not just busy work because I want to feel productive, but instead I'm doing the things that matter most, like the brain surgeon that really only does the brain surgery. They don't check people in at the front door, right? And they don't even stitch people up. They show up and they go, and they take that little piece out and then they're done, because it's the highest and best use of their time. So as you're reimagining 2022, I want you to think about your personal life and your professional life. What is the absolute highest and best use of your time, personally and professionally? Where do you want to grow? Where do you want to develop? What do you want to focus on? What do you want to move the needle on in your life, so 2022 can truly be a remarkable, remarkable year for you?